It is hot out here, man.
For science.
For science. For science? Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Big Mike and this is BZ Cooks. So today we're making salmon. But before we get started, I need you to smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And please, man, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other new content that we release. So as I said before, guys, we are making lemon pepper salmon in the Instant Pot. Now, this is a 3-minute dish. The only reason why it's 3 minutes is because we're doing it in the Instant Pot. Now, I have reiterated this on plenty of occasions. If you don't have an Instant Pot, stop playing with your life and go down to your local grocery store, man. I was at the grocery store today and I saw an Instant Pot for 60 bucks. If you don't feel like driving to the grocery store, man, I got a link in the description to get an Instant Pot. It will revolutionize your life. It will change your life. Anyway, I'm done ranting, guys. Lemon pepper salmon with potatoes and veggies in the Instant Pot. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, guys. Let's get straight to this cook. I'm gonna show you the simple ingredients and show you exactly how easy this is to make. Let's get started. All right, guys, let's go over our ingredients. We've got 2 pieces of salmon for starters, all right? The reason why we're using 2 is because we're gonna use this steam rack that we put in our Instant Pot. I can only fit 2 fillets on here, so if you have more than 2, you're gonna have to cook it in bunches, okay? We got some salt, and we've got some fresh black pepper. We've got some red skin potatoes. This is about how big I cut them. If you wanna make them smaller, you can. And we've got some mixed greens. This is spinach. It looks like a little bit of kale in there, maybe some arugula or whatnot. You can use your own blend if you like to. We've got a lemon. We're gonna zest this for our lemon pepper seasoning. And that's pretty much it, guys. Okay, the first thing we wanna do is we wanna lightly season our salmon, okay? We're not gonna season too much because this is kind of a low sodium type of meal, not too salty. All right, we want to get both sides of our salmon. I'll take some fresh black pepper. So pepper this to your liking. Then we're going to take our lemon and our lemon zester and just zest this to your liking. Really gonna be up to you on how much lemon flavoring you want on yours. To sweeten the deal on this, if you want to, you can take this lemon and squeeze some juice on it, and we'll probably do that for some added flavor. Let's get a knife, and just for some added flavor, now we're going to get a plate and just set these to the side. All right, first things first, we're gonna add 1 cup of water. We're gonna take our potatoes, put those in there. And we're gonna take our rack, our steam rack, put that over it. Make sure that these handles are facing upwards. Take our salmon, put that on top of our rack. Okay, so you want to make sure that you can get this rack down in here so that this isn't protruding up too far where you cannot close it. All right, top is on. All right, so you want to make sure that your vent is closed. we're gonna press manual, and we're gonna knock this down to 3 minutes. Now that our timer is set, I don't know if you can see that 3 right there, but that is on 3 minutes. We're gonna set it for 3 minutes and we're gonna come back.
A few minutes later.
Release the hounds. Okay, steam has been released. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh man. Beautiful, beautiful salmon. Now we're gonna take this out and set it to the side. Okay, you got your handles here. Okay. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to hit the cancel button and we're gonna hit saute. Okay, that saute button, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. Kind of mash your potatoes up just a little bit here. Okay, just a tad bit. Then we're going to take our greens. And we're going to cook our greens down with the potatoes. Okay, it's going to take a minute. Once the salt gets into saute mode, where you're going to cook these greens until they're tender. If you want to, you can add a little bit more salt and pepper to it if you'd like to. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of salt, just a tad bit, and a little bit of pepper, not too much. As you can see, we've cooked our greens down and our potatoes. We got the garlic. As I said before, if you want to season your potatoes some more, add a little bit more salt and pepper. That's it, guys. All right. Hey guys, I told you this was a simple dish. If you can't make this at home, I don't know who can. So let me encourage you to go out and get that Instant Pot. Quit playing with your life. I'm serious. I saw one at the grocery store today for 60 bucks. Link in the description if you want to get one and you don't want to drive to the grocery store or your local Kohl's or wherever they sell these. But this is totally worth the investment. All right. So you can see our dish here. Got a little lemon garnish on the top. I'm going to remove that because you know what time it is, guys. We got to taste this for science. It's going down. Let's go. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna get a little bit of the salmon, some of the potatoes underneath here. The addition of that minced garlic is going to give it more like a garlic potato type of taste, but for science, y'all, let's go. All right, great flavor on that salmon. The lemon pepper seasoning, just a hint of that lemon, not too much. Really good, light dish. If you would like to omit the potatoes and use a cauliflower to keep the carbs low, you can do that, guys. You can add that to it. But guys, this is a really good light dish that you can make in 3 minutes. Where can you get that done? Nowhere, okay? Instant Pot is the key to this recipe. The fish is nice and flaky. It's not dried out. Very, very tasty. Like I said, very low salt. If you want to add more to make it a little bit more saltier, you can do that. But guys, this dish is delectable. I love it. I'm probably going to make this again. Hopefully you'll give that a try. So if you like the video, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video comes out, guys. With that being said, we're going to end the video today. Appreciate you guys for coming out and checking out the video. Don't forget to share this channel with all your friends and family. This is Big Mike with BZ Cooks signing out, guys. Until the next video, we'll see you later. Peace.